Pomir se, Branka, otud. Pomir se.
A, šta je to? Ajde vidim.
Pazi, pazi.
Šta je to? Aha.
Okay, let's go. The unboxing is going to start in front of the library.
Where should we sit? Here? You wanna do unboxing here, mommy?
Yeah. Let's do the unboxing. Haydi, nak. Kuts. What do we have here? What do we have? We have a green dragon and the fire station and the fire truck. This is our first fire truck. The all other Hot Wheels we do have only cars. Yes,
Yeah.
they're coming all here. Okay. Let's do press here and pull up. Press it down. Press it down. Is there something to glue? To stick? Oh. Is there any sticker? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The stickers are here first. Fifi, first we need to put the stickers on and then to arrange the Hot Wheels station together with the dragon and the fire truck.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
That's a big dragon. Open.
That's the head of the dragon. Oh, we have to cut this. Wait, daj mi kato. Pazi prste. Hold this for me. Okay. Oh no, take it out. Put it there in the box. And the fire truck. Let's see the fire truck, how it looks in live. Pokaži Dadiju. Show Daddy how it looks. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Here,
Oh,
Daddy.
fire truck.
Okay. Almost done. Wings. Now, where did it go? Pazi da ne padne. H and G. No, wait. Ne odozdo. Ne ni tako. Da, još drugačije. Ajmo malo.
Wow. Oh no. The dragon is fell down. Wow.